Hi everyone, I'm back, and yeah, I show you another box, goodies box that I make. And this is like a dress form enjoying, how to call this one? Yeah, just give me a name of this. And yeah, it's 2-layer book boxes, and I handmade the book box and glue it together. And yeah, actually I make this dress form already, I think 4 years ago. Yeah, actually this is one of my swap project that I make for a friend. Yeah, yes, our swap already, we agreed to do the swap since 2000 when 16 or 15, yeah, and we have no time, we're always busy. But anyways, I just want to finish and this swap and first just want to ship it out. So yeah, this store in my cupboard quite already 4 or 5 years. But it looks just still gorgeous, right? Yes, and I take good care of this her so well. So yeah, you can see I layer this is the dress form that is a paper mache dress form that I purchased in one of the craft store, and I cover with the laces and applique, beaded applique wedding lace, bridal gown lace, and a tea dye, coffee dye, and maybe avocado dye, some of the laces. Let me just zoom in so you can see the dress form is, yeah, actually it looks quite gorgeous. And I make this wing is like a plastic wing from a stash, and I also use this for one of my kit, but this is a pair leftover, so I use this and dangle, put all this dangle beaded trim behind, and the top I add this beaded flower, and this is the back. I use this lace, is like a vintage gold thread lace, and this is so beautiful. I think you couldn't see it from the camera, but the color is shimmer. And underneath the dress form is I use the muslin fabric to cover the dress form. And I use all this applique is was sent me quite a couple of years ago, and this I coffee dye this rosette flower. I can see the dangle. Okay, this is the dress form, and this one is one of my handmade flower follow wall tutorial, and I avocado dye, another one, and all these flower spray is from my stash, and add this big flower here, another handmade flower. So you can see layer with the beaded applique and the beads around the box, here, and the lace, and underneath just muslin fabric, and the top here is another layer with this avocado dye lace. so you can see. And yeah, it's the goodie box, so this one can open up, and inside I layer with the shabby chic paper. Okay, and underneath this part also can open, another layer with the fabric cover. So we have put something inside. So yeah, this is my Dressform goodie box, 2-tier box. And this one, I don't know where this came out from. Oh, maybe from the spray. Yeah, maybe something dropped here. Okay, so yeah, I hope you all like this box too, and thanks again for everyone for stopping by, and just leave me a comment and let me know what do you all think with my Dressform. Let me adjust the camera lower down a bit so you can see. That's this box. Okay, so yeah, just leave me a comment and let me know what you all think of my Dressform goodie box. And if you like this box, just don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And thanks again for everyone, and bye bye.